The Tiboli tribes, member Alvin J. Nasin, Charles Joseph Palandoyon, and Ronald Steve Abogo. The Tiboli are an Austronesian indigenous people of South Cotabato in southern Mindanao, Philippines, known for their vibrant cultures, traditional weavings, tinalak, and complex polytheistic religion. Tiboli tribe, history, culture, and tradition. Location: primarily reside in the highland of South Cotabato, particularly around Lake Cebu, Lake Silutan, and Lake Lahit. Language: speak the Tiboli language, which is part of distinct language group in Mindanao.
U enget so tu hulung mewel, hol hegem melem kwangem, hitem fedem kitingelem, hem mekem tuko te dokem be kitibongem. Nel was be you, kana.
Kana?
O kana, kem na.
Religion: follow a traditional animistic religion, believing that nature has spirits that need to be appeased. Animistic religion means believing that everything in nature, from objects to animal to natural phenomena, has a spirit or soul, and that these spirits needs to be honored and sometimes appeased. Agriculture: practice Sweden/Bern agriculture.
Called Sweden farming and also known as shifting cultivation. It's a form of farming that farmers dig the soil to cultivate rice. This practice is often seen in the mountainous area where people cultivate their rice.
Weaving tinalak. Renowned for their tie-dye abaca clothes tinalak, which is woven with pattern passed down through generation.
Tibolis believe that the patterns of the tinalak are given by Fu Dalu, the goddess of Abaca, to women known as dream weavers. The process begins with the stripping of the abaca into thin fibers. Once these are dry, they are strung to a loom and the patterns are tied onto the plain fibers. Next, the fabric is boiled in natural dyes using the ikat technique. The dyed fibers are then strung on a backstrap loom for weaving. Traditionally, only women perform this step. Finally, a cowrie shell is rubbed on the tinalak to make it shine.
Art and crafts. Example, the Tiboli people of Mindanao are known for their intricate brass casting using the lost wax method to create bells, gongs, and ornaments. Music and dance. Example, the Kadaltahaw dance mimic the movement of birds as is accompanied by traditional instruments like agong and kulintang. Social structure. Example, traditional Bagobo communities, families live in a small cluster. It's led by a dato who settles dispute and oversees community decision. Values. Example, among the Maranao, respect for elders and authority is central. As an act of generosity and faithfulness are seen as moral and spiritual duties. Rituals. Example, at Tagbanwa people perform pagdiwata rituals which includes dance and offering to deities to ensure a good harvest and protection from illness. Tinalak weaving. Example, among the Tiboli, only women known as dream weaver can create the tinalak cloth as a design are believed to be shown as a dream by Fu Dalu the spirit of the Abaka.
Weaving process. Women traditionally weave the tinalak using natural dyes and a backstrap loom. Here are some examples.
The process begins with the stripping of the abaka into thin fibers. Once these are dry, they are strung to a loom and the patterns are tied onto the plain fibers.
Significance. The tinalak is used for various purposes, including clothing, ceremonial items, and souvenirs. And here are some examples. Tinalak Festival. The annual Tinalak Festival in South Cotabato celebrates this iconic textile. Here are some examples. Traditional attire. Tiboli women traditional wear long sleeve, tight-fitting blouses and ankle-length tubular skirts, with special occasion attire including pinstrip linen skirt. Here are some examples. For the sword, Tiboli men traditionally carry a sword, though they no longer wear traditional attire in every life. Here are some examples. Lake Holon. Located in the municipality of Tiboli is Lake Holon, which was declared as the cleanest inland body of water in the country in 2003 and 2004.